Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best cordless screwdrivers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Black+Decker 20 Volt Max POWERECONNECT Cordless Driver. When you buy Black+Decker LD120VA, you will also receive one Black+Decker 20 Volt Max Lithium-Ion battery that holds charge for up to 18 months, one LCS20 charger, and 30 accessories comprising of 6 brad point drill bits, 10 1-inch screw driving bits, 9 2-inch screw driving bits, for nut drivers, and one magnetic bit tip holder, making this model the best cheap cordless screwdriver with speed of 750 RPM for regular home projects. The tool comes in a vibrant orange color, a 3/8-inch chuck that allows you to quickly change a broad range of screws and drivers, and 24 clutch settings that allow you to adjust the amount of power according to the task to avoid overdriving or stripping screws. The compact size fits in tight spaces and reduces fatigue along with the soft grip handle. Owners who purchase this cordless model as a starter kit like the assortment of accessories and the overall performance during DIY projects. One disadvantage of this screwdriver is that the drill gets hot but also cools down quickly. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dewalt 8 Volt Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit. The Dewalt DCF680N2 gyroscopic screwdriver is rated as one of the best small cordless screwdrivers for light and medium work such as fastening into plastic, wood, and thin metal. Buyers are impressed by its compact design, light weight of 1.1 pounds, varied clutch settings, and the adjustable handle with straight inline position for extended grip and a second position for pistol grip configuration. This model uses motion activation to control speed and direction. The motor will turn in the direction you twist your wrist and increase the speed depending on the amount of twisting. Twisting your wrist to the left or right will move the tool forward or in reverse, while twisting further will increase the speed to up to 430 RPM. The gyroscopic feature is complicated to use in tight spaces, and the low torque makes this model unsuitable for heavy-duty work. Number 3. Our third best pick is SKIL Rechargeable 4 Volt Cordless Screwdriver. The SKIL SD561201 is equipped with patented circuit sensor technology that checks for live current and power cords and fixtures and electrical outlets and switches that are within a distance of 1 inch. When you hold this screwdriver in close proximity to an outlet or cable with live current, it will flash on a red light and trigger a sound alert. You can set the tool to turn forwards or in reverse direction by twisting the collar, and switch to manual use with the automatic spindle lock at the center. This is a convenient feature which allows you to use this model as a traditional screwdriver in case the battery dies halfway through the drilling. The dual LED lights will illuminate your working area for easy visibility in confined spaces and dim environments. The built-in battery may be inconvenient for some owners who prefer removable batteries that they can swap without taking a break from the project. It also has a low speed of 230 RPM and only left and right control positions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bosch PS21 12 Volt Max 2-Speed Pocket Driver Kit. Bosch is a reputable German engineering company that has been in existence for more than a decade, making household appliances and technological products for the computer and building industries. The company has incorporated the same advanced technology in the Bosch PS21 12 Volt Pocket Driver, which features one of the shortest head lengths of 5.6 inches to offer more control and balance as well as to fit in small and confined spaces. It also has an integrated LED light and an impressive power-to-size ratio with weight of 1.8 pounds, maximum torque output of 265 inch-pound, and 350 to 1,300 RPM on low and high speed settings respectively, providing one of the best cordless power screwdrivers for heavy-duty work such as drilling through 22-gauge metal. 20 clutch settings, including drill mode, and a trigger to adjust the speed to either of the two settings allow you to regulate the amount of torque and the level of speed to your preference, while a trigger switch makes it easier to move the screwdriver forwards or in reverse to change screws. You have to buy an adapter for standard drill bits since this model is only compatible with hex head bits. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Makita XSF03Z 18V LXT Cordless Drywall Screwdriver. The Makita XSF03Z features a motor that runs at a speed of up to 4,000 RPM. Since the electronically controlled motor is brushless, it automatically adjusts the speed and torque to match the task at hand. This makes it energy efficient and capable of extending the runtime by up to 50% on a single charge. It also prevents the motor from heating up, which can cause deterioration and reduced lifespan. Other features that appeal to buyers include push-drive technology that allows you to pause when working by activating lock-on mode, and resume operation by engaging the fastener, the built-in LED light, and the 3-gauge battery level indicator. Owners also like the adjustable nose piece that allows them to regulate how deep they sink the screws. The Makita XSF03Z is powered by 18V LXT Lithium-Ion batteries. The cordless power screwdriver is available with 2 insert bits and a 3-inch magnetic holder for the bits. Unfortunately, you have to buy the batteries and charger separately. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.